In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can add text to your video in Canva just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I already have this video, guys, and I want to add a text to this Canva video, okay? So what you will do, it's super easy. Just click over here on text like this, and you can click over here on add a text box, or you can scroll down and you can choose the style of text you want to add. Okay, they have different styles here of text, so let me choose one. Let's scroll down. For example, I'm gonna choose, I will just choose this one. So just click on the text style that you want to use, and your text style will be over here like this. So you can edit this. Just double click on this text and you can delete this text like this, and you can write your own text. So for example, I'm gonna write welcome. So for example, welcome back. Okay, and they will put this, you can make this text like this, and you can click on your text and you can control this text where you want to put this text. Okay, you can control it. As you can see, I can put this text here. You can also click here and you can decrease the font size of your text, or you can increase it if you want. Super easy. And they will delete the second one. If you want to delete this one, you can click on delete, and here you go. That's how we can add text to a video in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.